Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tie a necktie using an easy method. First, drape the tie around your neck. Make sure the wide end is on your right side, extending about 12 inches lower than the narrow end. The narrow end should rest roughly at your navel. Now, take the wide end and cross it over the narrow end, forming an X shape right below your chin. This initial cross is crucial for setting up the knot correctly and ensuring a balanced tie. Next, bring the wide end up through the neck loop from underneath, pulling it towards your chin. Then, take that same wide end and pull it down and to the left, creating a loop around the narrow end. This action starts to form the basic structure of your knot. Gently tighten this part, but don't pull it too tight just yet. You want enough slack to continue with the next steps smoothly and easily. Now, take the wide end and cross it horizontally over the front of the knot you've just started. This creates the visible front part of your tie knot. Then, bring the wide end up through the neck loop from underneath once more. Finally, slide the wide end down through the front loop you just created. This completes the main structure of your knot, giving it its classic shape and ensuring it holds firmly in place. To adjust your newly tied necktie, hold the narrow end firmly and gently slide the knot upwards towards your collar. Make sure it's snug but comfortable around your neck. The tip of the wide end should ideally reach the top of your belt buckle or just slightly above it. This length is considered standard and professional. Take a moment to smooth out any wrinkles. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.